Hello everyone, this is Grandmaster Damian Lemos here for iChess.net. Welcome to this new video where we'll be talking about playing online chess. You have to play online, and that is a tool you can use to get better at chess because it's not all about playing live chess. In fact, if you play online, you can put a lot of more volume and analyze your own games. Therefore, you have to improve faster. And there are a lot of sites out there to play, and I like chess24. You'll find the link below the video, and you'll find all the benefits of playing there. Let me show you real quick what we have. Well, of course, by playing at any site, especially at chess24, you'll have a lot of playing experience. But apart from playing, you'll find a lot of tournaments. You can follow live tournaments on the platform and much more. You also have training videos, training shows by strong grandmasters, and a lot of additional features as well. A chess tactics trainer, that's key. As I said in other videos, training tactics is key if you want to get better at chess. There's no point in knowing all the strategy, all the theory, if you cannot convert your advantages. Well, you see a nice YouTube channel, online chess analysis, DVD series, and much more. You can check this article yourself, but we're here to see how chess24 works, and let's see if we can play some games. So I'm already logged in with my Facebook. You can create an account using your mail, Facebook, or just creating a chess24 account. So let's play. As you can see, we have other things to do here. The site is awesome, but we want to play, and let's see what we can. 3 minutes. I want to play human, of course. I can also play against that computer. That's a good training, but let's see if I can get something like 3 + 2. Okay, I'll just go 3-0. And well, this time the system is looking for an opponent, and okay, let's see. In English opening, I'll play with e5. Let's see if I can make the board a bit bigger. Okay, awesome. So yeah, I'll develop my pieces. He's trying to play what is known as a Botvinnik setup. In blitz, we have to be fast. That f3 move, I don't like it because that is supposed to be the square for his knight. But in blitz, we have to make quick decisions, and we cannot think deeply. But okay, easy decisions. c6, I'll play d5 next, and I'll make sure I open the center. Also, if he takes my knight on d4, I'll take with my e-pawn, and I'll have the bishop pair, so I don't mind if he takes on d4. That move, b3, opens the h8, a1 diagonal a bit, so I might exploit that in the future. So knight takes e2, knight takes. Yeah, here I want to get all my pieces out. And then I'll open the center. Okay, that's a pin. I'll get out of that diagonal, and then I'll be able to move my knight. Okay, bishop takes. Yeah, that position is a bit closed at the moment, but I'll open it anytime soon, and that's going to favor my bishop pair. Here, for instance, we have a couple of things going on the d file. Now if he takes, he loses the queen. So rook d1. Now I'll just move my bishop to safety. And now I gotta be quick. Now queen takes a4 is a threat. Okay. Have to be careful about knight c3 and knight d5, maybe. Well, I'm not worried about that. I can play h5. My king on f6 is a bit weird, sure, but I'll go back to g7 as soon as I can. Yes, I'm up a pawn, so all I have to do here is play bishop b7 and try attacking that knight on d5. Time-wise, we are doing great. We have much more time than our opponent. So let's see. Attacking the knight, he has to move it somewhere. Okay, that move... Well, he's trying to play queen f6, but I can simply take. I'm removing this attacker from d5. Now this position with an extra pawn should be easy to convert. And I also like the fact all my pieces are well protected, so that's good for blitz. To have all your pieces protected, it is close to impossible to hang something if everything is protected. So now my goal is to trade everything off. Well, I'll grab that pawn if allowed. And as I was saying, I want to trade as much as I can because the endgame is easy. I'm up 3 pawns. Yeah, that should be more than enough to win. And another rule for endgames is your king has to be active, so I'll just activate my king, and then I'll advance my queenside pawns. Whoops. I'll take it. Okay. I can also go after his kingside pawns, but there's really no need. Okay, so we won it. Let's go for another one. Maybe he wants a rematch. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, in this beginner series, I talked about e4 and d4 as well. So let's go for... Okay, he plays d6. Had he played knight c6, I would have played bishop b5, the Spanish, or bishop c4, the Italian, but now what he's playing is known as a philidor defense, especially if he plays knight f6 here. So he plays f6. Okay, I'll play bishop c4. I don't like this f6 move because now his king side is too weak, especially the c4 g8 diagonal. I'll play a4. Easy decisions in blitz. I want to make sure I stop b5. And okay, here, since black doesn't have the greatest development, I have a tactic, and I see this quickly because I'm used to doing a lot of puzzles daily, and that is what I recommend you do as well. So he takes my knight, and now we see his king is a bit weak. The king is the only one protecting the queen on d8, so I have this deviation move, bishop f7. He has to take, and then I just take the queen. Material-wise, this is winning, and here, just in case, I'll move my queen. I don't want the queen to get trapped. So yeah, I'll play queen c7. He doesn't have any moves to attack my queen, so now all I have to do is open that position because his king is in the center, so I'll just sacrifice a pawn to make sure I have open lines. And of course here I don't mind offering my bishop. All I need is to get more pieces close to his king. So bishop there. Okay, now let's think for a while. Should I move my bishop, or I think, yeah, bringing my rook on a1 is easier. Here I have the idea of checking on d6, so I'll do that. Now I want to make sure I play the most accurate move, but in blitz it is tough to do so, and it's easier to play practical moves. I check, and then my next move is rook takes f4. I'll better be quick because I don't have all the time in the world. And now he wants to play bishop e5. Okay, I'll just play, I don't know. I'll play something because I don't see a mate yet. I'll just try attacking with my pieces. So okay, here he's attacking my queen. I have to play this. And I have queen takes rook. Okay, so king f7. That's the only move he has. Queen takes or rook f1. I'll take the pawn. I gotta be super quick now before I run out of time. Okay, bishop there. I want to cut off his king. No escaping squares. I had queen h5, by the way. That is a check, and I also attack his knight on g4. But okay, we have to be winning this. Man, I need more time. That is, yeah, the disadvantage of doing a video and playing at the same time. But okay, let's see if I can mate him. This can't be that tough. Let's see if I can make it in less than 15 seconds. Hopefully. Come on. Well, we are almost there. Almost. Now, I don't see any move to stop queen takes or even rook takes. I think rook takes is faster, and now, well, queen g7 has to be next. Okay, yeah, we got it. We played 2 games. We'll do much more of this online playing videos, but in order to, I'm sorry about my cold, in order to do this better, I think it's a good idea to play 3+2, 3+1. By having increment, I have more time to focus and comment at the same time. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. Check this link below the video, chess24, one of the best sites to play, to train, and to get better at chess. So that's all, and I want to see you guys in my next videos. Thank you.